Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products in the same category to help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we have two monitors that cater to different needs and budgets. In the left corner, we have the LG UltraWide QHD monitor, and in the right corner, we have the Philips 22-inch monitor. Let's dive into the details and see which one comes out on top. The first category we'll be comparing is display quality. The LG UltraWide QHD monitor boasts a QHD resolution of 3440 by 1440 with a 21:9 aspect ratio, providing 33% more screen space than FHD resolution displays. It also supports HDR10 and offers 99% coverage of the sRGB spectrum, making it ideal for photographers and graphic designers who require highly accurate color representation. On the other hand, the Philips 22-inch monitor delivers crisp Full HD 1920 by 1080 visuals. It features a VA panel that produces brighter whites and deeper blacks, resulting in true-to-life images and more gradients with 16.7 million colors. It also offers a 178/178 degree extra-wide viewing angle, ensuring consistent colors even when viewed from an offset angle. For all the gamers out there, let's compare the gaming features of these monitors. The LG UltraWide QHD monitor supports AMD FreeSync Premium, which manages the refresh rate to reduce screen tearing, flicker, and stuttering, providing you with an effortlessly smooth gaming experience. It also includes features like Dynamic Action Sync to reduce input lag, and Black Stabilizer to enhance visibility in dark scenes. The crosshair feature helps improve accuracy in firefights. Meanwhile, the Philips 22-inch monitor offers a 75 Hz fast refresh rate via HDMI 1.4, bringing your favorite movies and video games to life. It also features adaptive sync technology, ensuring fluid action sequences and rapid response time without stuttering. Now let's explore some additional features that these monitors offer. The LG UltraWide QHD monitor includes 2-channel max audio stereo sound, delivering rich audio for your gaming and video content experiences. Its slim bezels and 3-side virtually borderless design keep you focused on the screen, while the adjustable height and tilt options ensure maximum comfort. On the other hand, the Philips 22-inch monitor boasts a bezel-free design on 3 sides, creating an immersive viewing experience. It also features Easy Read mode, which provides a more paper-like experience for reading lengthy documents, making it ideal for busy office workers. Additionally, it incorporates LowBlue mode and flicker-free technology to reduce eye fatigue during extended computing sessions. The LG UltraWide QHD monitor is a compelling option for those seeking an ultra-wide monitor with a large screen, HDR10 compatibility, and AMD FreeSync Premium for an immersive and smooth viewing experience. It is praised for its ability to enhance creativity and provide a vast canvas for video editing. On the other hand, the Philips 22-inch monitor is commended for its crisp and vibrant display with a 75 Hz refresh rate, making it a cost-effective solution for expanding screen real estate and improving productivity. It is also appreciated for its reliability and ease of use. Overall, both monitors have received positive reviews from customers. And that wraps up our comparison between the LG UltraWide QHD monitor and the Philips 22-inch monitor. Both monitors have their strengths and cater to different needs and budgets. Remember to consider your requirements and preferences before making a purchase. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Let us know in the comments which products you'd like us to compare next. Until then, stay smart and happy shopping.